Hey guys, this is Ishmael. Today I'm so much excited. Why? Because I finally got my Movi. What is Movi? Movi is actually a smartphone gimbal that helps you use your mobile devices in taking steady shots or videos. Now this particular device comes from one of the best companies when it comes to manufacturing of drones, cranes, gimbals and so on, which is Freefly. Now if you've ever watched Game of Thrones before, you might probably have seen a lot of cinematic moves inside. Now the good thing is most of those moves has actually been taught to this particular device. Wow, that's a lot. And about 2-3 days ago, Filmic Pro also released an update which actually supports Movi. That is totally cool. Now Filmic Pro is an app that gives you total control over your mobile phone's camera, so you can actually change a lot of settings which doesn't come with the inbuilt app. So that is also very cool as well. I can't wait to unbox this particular thing and see what's inside. So let's just go ahead and then unbox it. So this is Movi. Before I go ahead to unbox it, I probably want to read what we have on the box. So at the back, I think the cinematic modes here, that's the shooting modes. We have Majestic, there's Echo, there's Movie Labs, there's Time Lapse, there's Orbit, there's Barrel Roll, as well as there's Smart Port. Now this particular Gimbal works with an app. So the app is the Movi app, which you can find on the Play Store as well as the App Store. So I think that's let's see the features. So we have compatible with large phones, turns on instantly, pro level control, Type C, strong, lightweight, durable, sets down anywhere, selfie mode, compatible with extra that's external lens, Bluetooth connectivity, slow motion video, and so on. This is so cool. Wow, let me just go ahead to open this thing up and see what's being contained in it. So let me just try to remove this. I actually like the casing of this particular device. Let me just try to get it out, and I think there's something inside here. Oh, okay, so this actually, so if you want to download the app, if you want to watch tutorials, as well as if you want support services, you can actually follow this links and then you can get them. So let me just put the box away and then take a look at how do I open up this thing. Oh, okay, so there's a section here where you can actually open. So let me just go ahead and then open this thing up. Wow, this is cool. So this actually uses the Type C USB. That's very cool. And then I think there's nothing more being contained. It's just the USB as well as the gimbal itself. So this is cool. It's actually a little bit heavier than that of DJI Mobile 2, but this is so cool. And I actually like this thing. Let me just let me see. I think there's a power button. We have some controls in here, and then we have some triggers here. So I'm yet to fully know how this thing functions, but I see the power button here. This is actually a power button. I'm just go ahead and turn it on. Okay, I think I have to move this first, and then let me just turn this off and turn this on again. Okay, so just trying to adjust. Okay, I don't have my phone position, but probably that's something I can do later on. So this is Movi, and I really like the design of this particular device. So there's the battery section. The battery section is being here. Let me just try to open it up. So as you can see, this is there. Let me just try to focus this a bit so you can see it. Let me just so this is where you have the battery section. Let me just go ahead and then close this up. You actually keep your mobile phone here. So there's you press on this and you keep your phone inside here. Probably don't have my phone by me, but I think I really like this. So I think it's two hands from tutorials I've seen online. You probably position two of your fingers here, and then you grip this very firm with with your right hand, and then you move slowly. So this is actually cool, and I really like the design of this. It's just a bit heavier than that of DJI Mobile 2, just like I said earlier, but I think it's totally cool, and I really like it, and I can't really wait to shoot with this particular device. So I think that's all about it. There isn't anything more. That's just it, and that's not bad. So yeah, this is the Movi robot or Movi gimbal, and I must say it's very cool. Once again, this is the Movi gimbal. I can't wait to learn and start shooting with it. I'll purposely be using it for travel videos, and I'll be sharing some of the videos with you. So if you are new to this channel, all you have to do is to hit on the subscribe button and get alert on any new videos that is going to be released. So once again, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.